Check out this awesome ultrasonic retainer cleaner. This is great for retainers, dentures, Invisalign. This can honestly even be used for jewelry. You can clean your rings, necklaces, anything in here as well. Of course, that is water resistant, waterproof. So I use this for my night guard. I have this for clenching, and so it's super easy to use. I put a little bit of water in here, enough to have this fully covered. Put it in there, and then hit the on button. Now you've got a 3-minute, a 5-minute, and a 7-minute timer on here. It shows it in seconds, so you could easily change that. That would be a 5-minute timer, 300 seconds, or a 7-minute timer, 420 seconds. Otherwise, a 3-minute timer for a quick clean, 180 seconds there. Super easy to use. You just let it do its thing. Just kind of show you what it's doing. So it is using ultrasonic waves, which is why you can see the water kind of rippling in there. That is from the bottom. It's kind of pulsing so that it's doing a deep clean within all the little nooks and crannies of the retainer, the night guard, whatever it might be. I'm going to open it up. You don't need to open it during the operation, but just for you to be able to see what it's doing also. You also have UV lights up here all around the inside of the lid. With that UV light is doing is killing 99.99% of the bacteria on here. So once it's all done, it'll stop automatically. I'm going to just hold down the power button for it to stop now, just so we can open it up. And then when it is all done, it even comes with little plastic tweezers so that you can keep it as clean as possible, and then transfer it from here into your regular case that you would put this into, or go right into your mouth. It's dentures, night guard, whatever it might be. I use this twice a day. I use it before I put this into my mouth and after I take it out of my mouth. Now, the nice thing is this also comes with this really handy, heavy-duty, durable brush, which you're able to use one side or the other to really get in there. This is great for getting out any food particles that might be stuck on there. Just breaking up any, saliva, stains, anything that might be on there. This is great for that deep clean ahead of time. If there's anything in those little nooks and crannies, like I said, food particles or whatever it might be, use this beforehand so that then this can then just kill the bacteria. This is going to scrub off anything, big debris, and then this will actually kill 99.99% of the bacteria. So overall, this is an amazing set with these accessories as well, and this ultrasonic UV retainer denture cleaner. And again, also can use it for your jewelry, necklaces, whatever it might be, to put it in there as well. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.